Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add height range on your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to add a height range on your preferences on Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add your preferences on the height range. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, simply select this heart button and then you'll be directed into the Facebook dating. From here, simply tap on the settings at the upper right corner of your screen and then in here you will see the ideal match. Below that, you will see advanced preferences. Tap on this drop down button and you will see in here the height range. Tap on this height range. And then in here, as you can see how tall they are. In here, it starts with 3 feet. You can either choose in here. For example, let's start in 6, 7. After that, you can turn this on if you want it to be a strong preference. After that, tap on the save button at the upper right corner of your screen. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add height range on your Facebook profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add height range on your Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.